Hello everyone, welcome to Persian cuisine. Today we're going to make spinach omelet. I added some olive oil to the pan. I chopped the spinach, added the olive oil, close the lid, chop some garlics. Add the garlic to the spinach. Going to add some salt, some black pepper, and some turmeric. Not too much turmeric, about quarter of a teaspoon turmeric. Mix it very well together. And close the lid. Crack the eggs. Add it to the spinach and let the eggs cover the spinach. Close the lid and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Our omelet is ready. At the end, I'm going to add some crumbled feta cheese and it's ready to be served. Our Persian spinach omelet is ready to be served. It's quite amazing. It's very easy to make. Hope you make it, enjoy it. Bon appetit and Nushe Jan.